Father had a business strictly second-hand, everything from toothpicks to a baby grand. Stuff in our apartment came from Father's store, even things I'm wearing someone wore before. It's no wonder that I feel abused. I never get a thing that ain't been used. I'm wearing second-hand hats, second-hand clothes. That's why they call me second-hand rose. Even a piano in the parlor Father bought for 10 cents on the door. Second-hand pearls, I'm wearing second-hand curls. I never get a single thing that's new. Even Jack the plumber, he's the man I adore. He had the nerve to tell me he's been married before. Everyone knows that I'm just second-hand rose from second-hand you. Second-hand shoes, second-hand hose. All the girls hand me their second-hand bows. Even my pajamas, when I don them, have somebody else's riches on them. Second-hand rings, I'm sick of second-hand things. I never get what other girl is due. Once while strolling through the Ritz, a girl got my goat. She nudged her friend and said, "Oh, that's my old friend